Hi friends, in this lecture we are going to look in the median, mode, max and minimum formulas. How it work. So median it means middle of the data. So whatever data we have, we can find the middle one in the data. So let's jump onto the formula equal to MEDIAN median. Press the tab key. At the number one, you have to select the data, control shift down arrow and close the bracket, hit enter. So basically the median is 43. Overall your data highest number divided by 2. So it will be get the answer. But the answer, for example, if you have highest number here 88. So if you do 88 divided by 2, you will get 44. But why I'm getting 43? Because median in Excel, whenever you apply the formula, it will be just find you the median number in the data, not the data which is divided by 2. So here there is no 44, it's near to the median number, it will be appear here. So this is a median, and the mode equal to in your data is the number of time repeated one. It's called mode, MODE mode. Press the tab key, select the formula mode, either press the tab key and select the range, control shift down arrow, close the bracket, press enter. See, mode means the number of time repeated in your data, it will be appear in the mode side. So for example, if you go from upstairs, there is 43, it's repeated here also. So basically Excel what we do, the from the top to end, which data is coming first repeatedly, it will be take it that one. For example, you can see here 13 also repeated 2 times. So mode is calculating always the Excel, it is from the top to end, which FCF, first come first. So whatever first come and it is repeated again in the below, it will be considered. I hope you got my point. Let's move on to the max. Equal to max, press the tab key, select the control shift, then arrow, close the bracket, 88. The maximum number in this data and highest number in the data is 88. Okay, in highest value of that in your range. Minimum equal to MIN, press the tab key, select the range, shift control, down arrow, close the bracket, press enter. So lowest value of the minimum is 12. So I hope you guys like this video. Please share and subscribe. Join my channel. You will be learn the basic and to advance in Excel, and watch my all videos, previous ones, in order to get more knowledge about the logical formula, ifs formulas, stat formulas, and continuously I'm moving forward to support you. It doesn't matter whose people are watching or not, whose people are caring. It's more important that how much you are learning every day in your life, that will be give you more confidence and success. My best wishes with you, and try to be learn as much as you can to grow yourself and develop your skills, and do practice. Whatever you are watching, please do practice in order to gain the knowledge and gain the confidence. I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.